Import our file. As you can see, the file name is up here right at the top left of the mixer here. And what you're looking at here are a couple of things. Here is the kind of the amplitude of the audio file itself. This play button will allow you to play that sound file. So I'm just going to press play so you can see that, or as you can see, you can hit the space bar as well.
Than their unusual proximity to the most crucial issues affecting Black people today.
Okay, so that is how you play the sound of your file itself. This area down here, you can turn that on and off. This is what's called the spectral frequency display. This allows you to do some more fine tuning on the sound that you have. This is something a little bit more advanced that you'll want to play with later. We can turn that off, or we can turn that back on if we like. We're not going to be playing around with that this early in the tutorial. And then finally, what you can see here is when you play down here, these are the levels. So you'll notice that at times, depending on how loudly the microphone is picking up sound, it'll sometimes go into the yellow and the red, which means the sound levels are peaking a bit.
And within recent years, this militant tradition of Black women who have been, and within...
Okay, so that's kind of what you're looking at here. And let's just say we want to change the sound levels just a little bit across the entire clip. Everything's just a little too loud or a little too soft, so we want to amplify the sound or decrease the sound itself. Well, that's very easy. This little window here that automatically pops up when you're in this viewer is actually your volume control. This allows you to adjust the amplitude of your sound file. So all you do is click on it with your mouse and hold down. If you move it to the right, you can see the amplitude goes up. If you move it to the left, the amplitude goes down. So we've now decreased our amplitude, and you'll notice if I press play that the sound will get much softer.
In a society in which the Caucasian group...
Or if we do just the opposite, it can get much louder. And if we look at our levels down here, they're probably going to peak.
more fully to the task of Black liberation. Husbands. Yet, because of...
This is the final thing I want to show you here. This is what's called the playhead. And you will be able, if you click and drag this, you can move your clip to the left and to the right. So I'm just going to lower the sound a little bit here, a little closer to what it was when we first started. And then we can save our file.